Now they do if I have that drink. That's the gayest margarita ever. So. Okay. Woohoo! San Francisco. Woohoo! Okay. Now this lovely young lady is named Nikki Shaw, and she will be singing and exploding on Don't Rain on My Parade. Let's give her a hand.